welcome back to my channel, The Secret World of Velvet. If you're new here, welcome, and if you have been subscribed to me, then welcome back. You guys, I want to take the time to thank each and every one of you that has stuck around my channel. That means a lot to me. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, means so much to me that you guys like what my channel's all about. And for today, you guys, I actually wanted to do, hold on, Papa. I actually wanted to do a makeup look, but clearly Mr. Caden doesn't let me. So I'm going to announce my 3 giveaway winners, which are the winner from the Bloodlust collection, well, the Bloodlust palette, the winner of my Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette, and the winner of my security my smart charger. So that's what I have for you guys today, but that's gonna be towards the end. Papi, look, because you're gonna have to stay here straight, okay? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. But yeah, you guys, I wanted to share with you guys a few of my purchases that I have done. I honestly really haven't done a lot of purchases because I've been stuck to purchasing a lot of Jeffree Star. But okay, you have to sit still then. Okay, siéntate pues. Siéntate. Okay. Siéntate. Siéntate. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you guys, I bought some stuff from e.l.f. because it's their new collection, and it's their matte collection. I haven't tried it. I just received it in the mail today. I also ended up getting the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette along with the highlight and brush. Okay, so we are gonna start with the e.l.f. and their new collection is the matte e.l.f. Plus matte collection, and their packaging comes in pink. So let me show you guys. It comes in pink, and this here is the matte oil control mask. So this is like no baby. It's a clay mask, helps draw out impurities and excess oil for a clear complexion. Let's open it. Open it. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, let me show you guys. So it's definitely a clay. So it's like definitely clay. It smells. Smell it. Milk. Smell it again. Smells milk. It smells really mentally, so it smells like, I don't know if it's like eucalyptus or it smells like tea tree. I think it's tea tree. Yeah. Poop. Poop? No, it's not, liar. And then, so that was the first item, and then the second item is a matte blotting mist. So I was really excited for this because it's a blotting mist. So I always tend to get very oily, obviously on the T-zone, and this is supposed to set that oil, so I don't have to go in with like a blotting paper or anything. It's supposed to set it. You want some too? Okay, close your eyes. Thank you. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this on after a few hours of me wearing makeup. And then the next item that I have here is the e.l.f. matte blotting powder. I believe this is a powder. How do I open it? There we go. So it looks like this, and I'm really excited for this too. Wow. So like I said, I am very oily around the T-zone, so I just do really want to try that. And then next we have an e.l.f. Plus matte oil control lotion. So I can put this, it says this whipped clay infused lotion absorbs oil on contact, helps provide long lasting matte finish with Kelvin Clay and tea tree. Yeah, you see it does have, like, I think the whole collection has tea tree because I definitely smell that. So it definitely smells like tea tree.
Look.
It smells really good. And I mean, I'm applying it on my hand, and I mean, I don't know how this is going to make it matte because it definitely leaves a sheen, like a really nice shine on my hand, but we'll see. We have to test it out. Now, for this next product here, I have the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control excuse me, Oil Control Primer. Abre, yeah, abre. Okay, so this is a primer. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, this one also has tea tree. Oh, okay, I'm really liking this primer. It feels a lot, the texture feels a lot like my Lancome primer, so I'm pretty excited about that. See how it wears out. No, my love. Okay, siéntate. Siéntate. Okay, I also decided to get a tone adjusting face primer, and this is like in green, so it's supposed to like neutralize like my skin. What does it look like? Oh, it's green. You too? Okay. Yeah, show it to them. Say, look, it's green. So this is a tone and adjusting face primer. Oh, you're going to fall. Apply to clean skin prior to makeup application. Use a small amount and blend evenly over the face. You may need to pump several times when first open, and then preps your skin and fills in fine lines so makeup goes unevenly for a long-lasting matte finish. So this is also for a matte finish. And then you guys, I also ordered this e.l.f. Sheer Slick Cherry Slush. So it's like a lip thing. It's like a, I think this is more like that's it. It's very sheer. It's just for like a natural look, you know, ready to go. Just, you know, naturally do your lashes. Just like naturally fill in your brows, some natural lashes, and put some of this on and you're ready to go. So yeah, you guys. Okay, sit down, puppy. Sit down, baby. Okay, now with the Jaclyn Hill, I ended up getting the volume 2 because I do have the volume 1, and you guys all know that drama going around saying that it's no longer vegan. I don't know. Hold on, baby. It doesn't say on here, but I know this one's fine. I think the only drama they had was with the first palette. So this is what it looks like. I'm excited to play with these. These don't smell like anything, baby.
Look.
Calm down. Okay, give me your hand. We're going to swatch some colors. Let's see. Take this. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's try Dance Party. Wow. Okay, let's try again another one. Let's try Therapy Sesh. Let's see. Wow, you guys, these colors look really freaking bomb. Let's try No Joke. Wow, do you see this, Kaden? Let's try some of the shimmers. Let's try Talia. Let's see. Wow, yes. Okay, let's try one more. Let's see. Let's try Not My Journey. Wow, you guys, these colors are really freaking bomb. So I'm excited to play with this palette. No more. Homie, no, you just, no, Kaden. I'm letting you participate, but you have to respect. Okay, you guys, I also ended up getting a highlight, and with the purchase of a highlight, I ended up getting a free brush, and I ended up getting the Jaclyn Hill highlighter brush. That's just what it says here. It's a highlighter brush, and it looks like this. This looks super cute. You want more swatches? He wants more swatches, guys. Yeah, that one too? Okay, you're gonna have to wait. How do I take this out? Oh, there we go. So the brush is really nice and like sleek. Like it's clear here, but it has like the silver shimmer towards the bottom of the brush. I like that it has this silver detail, and then the brush feels super soft. So I'm excited to use it. And then the highlighter I ended up getting was in the shade Extra, and this is a loose highlighter. I'm going to open it. And you guys, excuse my hands, I don't have nails. I'm kind of waiting for somewhat the middle of March, if I'm able to, because I want to get green. Wow. I want to get green nails to create cerebral palsy awareness. So, all right. So we have Extra. Let's see, Kidder. Whoa, show them. Okay, you guys, this highlight, like, what? Okay, this highlight, it's like super pigmented. Like, you guys, are you guys seeing this? This is ridiculous. I'm excited to try this on a video. Look at Kaden's highlight. Kaden, look at your highlight. Here. Wow, look. Wow. No, you cannot use my brush. Okay, Kaden wants swatches. Also, you guys, I didn't tell you that I had this palette. I ended up purchasing it like last minute. Also, I'm almost done with my beauty room. I just need one more thing, and then I'll be ready to record that for you guys. But I also decided to buy the 39L Hit the Lights palette. It's still brand new. I haven't used it. I haven't played with it. I've just been obsessed with like my Jeffree stuff. Hold on, baby. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this all over the place. Looks like this. Let's swatch a few colors. Give me your hand, Kaden. No, this one. Now we're doing this one. Okay, don't touch. Let's try this green one. Wow. Let's try. No, you cannot. I said stop. Let's try this glitter one. Whoa, this one's crazy. I don't know what the shades names are, so wait, let's try one more. Let's try this blue one. Wow. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I also have this palette, and so I do have quite the collection to play with. I haven't had time to get to them. I really want to, but it's been really hard, you guys. You guys know I am a mother of 6, so I can't like always, you know, just play with makeup. I wish I could, but that's not my reality. Okay, but yeah, you guys, that's going to be pretty much it. So here is the original Jaclyn Hill palette from like 2017. This is it. It's all used and abused, which I loved. But you know the whole drama. What, my love? But yeah, you guys, let me know if you guys would like to see another look using Bloodlust, or you guys would like for me to create a look using the Jaclyn Hill items, like the highlight with the palette and all that good stuff. So let me know. And now let me announce my winners. Let me go back to my pictures. You guys, this time I have decided to pick my winners totally different like from other times. So I'm just choosing people that I've seen in my comments quite a lot. So that's how I've decided to go about with these winners. So okay, bájate, go get the candies, go give me the candies, go. So the winner of the Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette is The Adventures of Xenia, and this is, I'm not editing this video, you guys, so I'm just gonna upload a picture here. But yeah, congratulations to you, Adventures of Xenia. Hope you enjoy this palette. Now, the winner of my Bloodlust palette goes to Nani's World. Congratulations to you, girlie. You are the winner of my Bloodlust palette. Hopefully you guys are able to see it.
Wow!
No, papi. And last but not least, stop it, the winner of my smart charger camera is Helen Della Torre. Thank you so much, girl. You have been a long time subby, and stop it, and you are the winner of the smart charger camera. So yeah, you guys, Emma, bring me the jelly beans so we can try them with Kenneth, please. So yeah, you guys, those are my winners of my 3 recent giveaways. The Beauty Creations a blush palette, I actually ended up giving it to my friend, so I didn't choose a winner for it, so I just gave it to my friend. And yeah, that's basically going to be it for the last thing that we are going to be trying. Kaden and myself are these jelly beans that I got, and we're gonna see what they taste like. But yeah, you guys, if I have announced you and you are my winner, please go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know that you are the winner. Claim your prize, DM me on Instagram, or email me at albacarias81@gmail.com. Or if you follow me on IG, then you know it's albacarias81. Alright, Kaden, we're gonna try the candies. Come here. We are going to try the Bean Boozled jelly beans. These are the nasty ones. Mommy, I smashed my finger again in school. Okay. Oh, that these ones have huevos. Come on, Kaden. Hey, Kaden.
I never did.
Okay, so we have spoiled milk, coconut,
Want me to take care of them?
dead fish, strawberry banana, rotten egg, butter popcorn, toothpaste, berry blue, barf peach. Okay. Let's see which ones we get, kitten. Let's see what he did.
The blue ones are the only good ones.
Okay.
Ew, you guys are getting tutti frutti.
Mine. Mine.
Okay, Kaden. Here. Be quiet.
No.
You.
Okay, here, Kaden.
I knew it.
Okay. So we got anything from
I think it's like tutti frutti.
from dirty dishwater to birthday cake. So let's find out. Kaden, try it. Can he? He's like, no thanks.
I'm scared to try it.
Oh. I got dirty dishwasher. Me too.
I don't like this.
Ah! Okay.
But these smell like huevos.
We're gonna try this other one. These ones are
Those things are...
stinky socks or tutti frutti. Here,
I'm used to
Kaden.
stinky socks, but like if I'm gonna eat it, that's like freaking nasty.
1, 2, 3. Kaden, like, no thanks.
No.
Oh. I definitely got stinky socks.
Stay.
Damn.
I'm crying right now.
Okay, there's only 2 blue ones, Emma.
Look, I'm crying.
Ugh.
Those things smell.
Okay, the blue ones is either toothpaste or berry blue. I got toothpaste. I'm okay with toothpaste.
That thing smell like fish.
Pick those up because they're gonna stick to my pepper.
It smells like one of those girls.
I'm gonna pick that one up too. Okay, let me try the other one.
Ugh, that tasted nasty. That's popping.
Okay, to end the video, I am going to be trying the Harry Potter Birdie Box beans.
Those jelly beans smell
So
like.
we have earwax, earthworm, dirt, cinnamon, cherry, candy floss, booger, blueberry, black pepper, banana. Come here, twins. Grass, green apple, marshmallow. We have a few.
The bean boozled one smell like a girl panocha.
How do you know what it smells like, yeah?
You guys smelled it from far in the class.
Okay. Wait. Oh,
Damn. Wait, can I have some for me, Lynn? No, I want for me.
wait, Kaden.
Leave it.
Let me see, because I need to see what the green one is. The green one is...
Booger. Espérate.
No.
See.
It could be... It's going to be... I don't even know what it is, but okay, you get one. Here. Then I get one. Here, Kaden.
Is this booger?
Here.
It
Okay.
says it can either be
1, 2,
watermelon
3.
or booger. No.
I got watermelon.
I got grass.
Ew. There's the green ones are only
I
that
got
I see is booger, green apple, grass, or watermelon.
What is the
I got
dark blue one?
watermelon.
Dark blue is blueberry.
Mom, I got watermelon.
Bro, these things smell like huevos.
What is the white one?
Mmm.
What is
What is the blue
white-
one?
Blueberry.
It's bomb.
Yours, Alisa, is soap or earwax.
I got soap. No, earwax.
No, I'm not getting this one. This one's booger.
Can I have it?
I got yellow. What's yellow?
I got earwax.
Lemon or rotten egg.
I got earwax.
Lemon.
Mom,
That one,
I got
Alisa, is
earwax.
either soap, earwax. And
What is the red one?
red is either cinnamon, cherry, earthworm, and that's it.
I got
I
soap.
want booger.
I got soap.
I don't want booger.
I got earthworm.
I'm used to eating my boogers, Madre.
Ew.
Ew.
Okay.
What is the orange one?
I got 4 of these. Here. What is that one, Emma?
Ew, I got orange.
Okay.
Ooh, the red one I got was cherry.
What's orange? I got earwax and I'm still eating it.
That one, Alisa, That is vomit.
What is the purple one?
That's either sausage, marshmallow, or dirt or black pepper. That's the one I got too.
I don't want to get purple. Hey, I got sausage. Ow. Mom, I got sausage.
This one's sausage, bro. This one feels like caca.
It tastes good. Can I have yours?
You can have my sausage.
Oh, I got sausage.
I'm dying right now.
I got sausage, Anissa. You want mine?
Alright guys, there you have it. That is going to conclude today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Bro, I just farted.
Emma, bring me a napkin. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Congratulations to my 3 winners. You guys are awesome. You guys get ready for another giveaway coming up in April. We are going to the Moprhe store for, again, the Jeffree Star launch. And let me know down below in the comment section if you guys want to see me do another Bloodlust look, or you guys want to see me use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. And with that being said, see you guys in my next video.
Never said.